Welcome back everybody. So guys, here in this video we'll be talking about the React.js components. So as we discussed before, the components are everything in React, or everything of the React is called a component. Okay, this class and everything like that we'll be making further will be actually called the component in React.js. In this class we'll be actually making a template, a way to create a template. So what I'm going to do for now, I'm going to make three or four classes: the header class, the footer class, the content class, and then we'll be only exporting the app class. And as you can see that we're already exporting only the app class, and then that will make a pair. You'll be seeing what I'm just going to do for now. Okay, so just suppose all this data is a header. All these things is a header. Okay, so I'm just going to make a new class there. But before making a new class, we need to update it. We need to update the content of this class. So do we still need this variable? Okay, just remain it as it is. I'm just gonna do a few more things here. I'm just running the CMD because I just want to run the server. And here I'm just typing npm start, as you remember. Okay, npm start inline break. And okay, it's just telling that there is no package.json file in its path, in its Shazib Kamal's path. Means actually we just need to go to again to the desktop. Yeah, desktop, and then the folder name was React application. Inline break it. Now we are inside the React app folder, and now if we just run the npm start, then because of the package.json, the metadata will be loaded of the server of this whole application. Now it got there. You can see that the project, the webpack compiled successfully. I'm just going to the browser, and here I'm just running that. I'm just typing here the localhost and line breaking. Now you can see that we're learning React.js, a new dev, hello world, in etc. All this stuff we can just put into the, or why not we just delete all that stuff, because it's not as important as it's looking. We just can make a new thing. This is the header. Okay, all this stuff, so I can also delete that one too. So I'm deleting that. No problem, no problem, no problem. I'm deleting that one, and there, then I just need to maintain it. And now here I'm just gonna edit the class name into header. Okay, that's cool. It's still we're exporting the app, default app. By the way, there is no app for now, but I'm just gonna make someone. Before making anything here, before putting anything here, why not we just go to the browser to check that out, the result. There is nothing. We just put it this is a header, but there is nothing we just can see, because the class name is app. Class name should be app because we're exporting the app, but there is no app, and this is the header. I'm just making it. If I just make it an app, then you can see that there will be the result. This is the header, but I'm just making it in header. Okay, this is a header class, and there is no header. Also, I'm making another class. Meanwhile, class content extends react.component. Okay, now curly braces going inside and just making it runner parentheses curly braces and going inside and return. Same thing as we did before, the parentheses again. Now inside the parentheses we are going to put some content like the div or any other thing. I'm just putting the div, and there I'm just typing this is the content. Okay, in the same way you can do a lot of things. You just can make the class footer extends react.component curly braces. There it should be the capital, the C should be capital. I'm just making it capital now. It's cool. I'm going down, and there I'm just line breaking and just putting the runner parentheses curly braces going inside and return again, and the parentheses going inside the parentheses, and then there another div I'm just making here, and I'm just putting inside this div is this is the footer. Okay, awesome, but there is nothing like the app. Okay, now I'm just gonna do what I need to do. I'm just saving it. I'm just going to the browser. Still you can see that there is no result if I just refresh. However, we just didn't need to be refresh this page, but we did that, by the way. Now Where is the app? Here I'm just making a very first class, and this class name I'm just putting as app, and extends. Absolutely, I'm just gonna add the React as a component here. Curly braces going inside and render. I'm just gonna render it. Okay. Again, the parentheses, curly braces inside the curly braces. I'm just gonna make the return and the curly braces. Sorry, parentheses going inside the parentheses. Like that. And there, I need the same. I need the same. Okay, cool. Save it. Now line break. And here, what I'm just gonna do for now, I'm just gonna put a simple div, and you will be seeing what I'm just doing. This is the main app. Save it. Now go to the browser, and only the main app will be visible because exactly we're just only exporting this one. If I just export another one, you can see that. Hey, done. Save it. Now go to the browser, and nothing. You can see that. Okay. This is why, because we've already exported the one. We just need to be export. Now, what is a way to make these classes workable? Here, instead of typing this is a main app, I'm just going inside and just making some. I'm just using some tags. We've made some tags. We can use these classes as tags, and I'm just gonna use them. Here, I'm just typing in a capital H. Okay, header. Save it. Now go to the browser. Okay, and save it. There is a header. Okay, you got the header. Okay, now line break. As I said, when you just made a class, you just made the class name as a new tag, and anything which is inside the class will become the part of the tag. So there, here I'm just typing the content. Okay, in its way, and save it. Now go to the browser. You will be seeing this is the content. Go there and line break, and then the footer. There is a footer. This is a footer. Okay, now everything you just put inside the single tag, a single class will become a part of the tag, and then inside a single class you can put that the JavaScript expressions. You can that ternary operators means the if else conditions, and you also can put the styles, whatever you just want to put, you can. So this is how we just make these things happen. In the next class we'll be talking about more about this, so stay tuned and goodbye.